Hi and welcome to this tutorial. If you are like me, you might like playing with a glue gun, and this is a fun thing you can do with just some very simple hair clips, hair barrettes, a glue gun, and then whatever you find in your button drawer. And yeah, I like collecting buttons. I sometimes buy them in thrift shops or take them off jumpers if they're gonna be thrown out. And this is simply putting on some glue on this hair clip and then adding some buttons, and it really is as simple as that. Just be careful of the very warm glue if you use a kind of a high heat glue gun, of course. And I'm adding extra glue as well as I go along, not just one layer. And I'm trying to make some gaps in between as well, so you can put in some of the buttons that have like more height to them, or like a different thing attached to it on the back. And I like also just to try out before I put them on kind of what fits in, but that doesn't mean that it will always end up like that when I finish them. But I just like to be a little bit prepared and figure out which match, and then add them to it. And remember, lots of extra glue, because you really need some glue to hold onto these buttons. But then they're quite cool, and it's a fun and simple thing, good way to use buttons, a fun thing to make with your kids or friends, or just have as a little creative project that really doesn't take long, and it doesn't require that you get a lot of things out. It can just be a few simple things, so it's not one of these huge craft projects, but it still is a lot of fun. And they can also be good as gifts. I mean, this one, with you have somebody who likes cats and you've got this cute little cat button, then it's actually a very fun thing. Or if you find some vintage buttons as well with lots of bling, then it's just, yeah, then it can be a really fun thing for you to wear. And also for vintage buttons, or maybe if you have some that are a little bit more rare and you don't know what to put them on, you might only have like one or two of them, so it's not enough for a jumper or a cardigan, but then you can always make a little hair accessory out of them, and then that's also a fun project. And yeah, you can wear many at once. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.